If you've ever waited forever for water to boil in the morning while rushing to make coffee or tea before work, you already know how surprisingly frustrating that can be. And honestly, a lot of electric kettles solve the speed problem but create new ones instead. Ugly plastic designs, awkward pouring, loud boiling noise, or bulky appliances that ruin your kitchen aesthetic. That's exactly why the Bella 1.8-liter temperature control electric ceramic kettle stands out immediately. This kettle feels designed for people who want something practical without sacrificing style. It combines fast boiling performance with a more premium ceramic look that actually blends into your kitchen instead of looking like another generic appliance. Whether you make tea daily, pour over coffee, oatmeal, instant soups, or just need hot water quickly throughout the day, this kettle aims to make the process faster, cleaner, and a little more enjoyable. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you notice is definitely the appearance. The white marble ceramic finish gives it a much more elevated look compared to standard stainless steel or plastic electric kettles. It honestly looks more like modern kitchen decor than a typical appliance, which matters more than people admit, especially if your kettle lives permanently on the countertop. The ceramic body also gives it a sturdier, more substantial feel in the hand compared to lightweight plastic models that can sometimes feel cheap or hollow. The gooseneck style spout is another detail that immediately changes the experience. Instead of aggressively dumping water everywhere, it creates a slower, more controlled pour. That's especially useful for pour over coffee, delicate tea brewing, or even just avoiding messy spills while filling smaller cups. It makes the whole process feel calmer and more intentional rather than rushed. Performance-wise, the 1500-watt heating system does exactly what most people want from an electric kettle. It boils water fast. Faster than a microwave, definitely faster than most stovetop kettles, and without heating your kitchen in the process. For busy mornings, late-night tea, or quick meal prep, that convenience genuinely becomes addictive once you get used to it. One thing I appreciated is that the kettle doesn't feel overly complicated despite having modern features. The digital touch interface looks clean and minimal, but it's still easy to understand, even if you're not particularly tech-focused. Some temperature control kettles become frustrating because they overload you with settings you'll never use. This one keeps things straightforward while still giving you more flexibility than basic one-button kettles. The detachable 360-degree swivel base also makes everyday use smoother than expected. You can lift the kettle from any angle without awkwardly lining it back up afterward, and the built-in cord storage helps reduce countertop clutter. Small design decisions like that make the kettle easier to live with long-term, instead of feeling like another appliance constantly in the way. In daily use, the safety features are honestly reassuring too. Automatic shut-off and boil-dry protection mean you don't have to constantly worry about forgetting the kettle while multitasking around the house. And because the heating element is concealed, cleaning feels simpler and less annoying compared to older exposed coil designs that collect mineral buildup over time. Now, there are a few trade-offs worth mentioning. Because it's ceramic, the kettle is heavier than lightweight plastic or thin stainless steel alternatives, especially when full. The exterior can also become warm during use, so it's not something you'll want to grab carelessly around the body itself. And while the digital controls are clean-looking, fingerprints do show up more easily on the touch panel than on traditional button-style kettles. Compared to similarly priced electric kettles from Hamilton Beach, Cuisinart, or KitchenAid, the Bella stands out mainly for its balance between design and functionality. Some kettles focus entirely on speed but feel cheap visually, while others look premium but sacrifice usability. This one lands somewhere nicely in the middle. It feels stylish enough for modern kitchens while still performing reliably for everyday use. Overall, if you want a fast electric kettle that actually looks good on your countertop and makes daily coffee or tea routines feel easier, the Bella Ceramic Electric Kettle is honestly a strong option for the price. It's practical, thoughtfully designed, and brings a little more personality into a category that's usually pretty boring. If you've been thinking about upgrading your kitchen setup, this is definitely worth checking out before it sells out. And if this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for current pricing and availability.